Hello students, now in this video we will discuss change of variables. Okay, lecture 4. Okay, first example, that is find dv upon dt. Okay, dv upon dt, not dy upon dx. Okay, but dv upon dt is like dy upon dx. If the function is v is equals to 5t cube, okay, let us suppose let y is equals to 5x to the power 3, like that. Okay, if the function, this function is like that, and similarly in place of v we have taken y, and we in place of t we have taken x. Here dy upon dx will be equal to dv upon dt. Okay, you know very well that how to calculate dy upon dx, that is 5 into 3 into x to the power 2 means 15x square. Similarly here dv upon dt will be is equals to 5 times 3 t to the power, because we are differentiating with respect to t, that means the variable is t. 5 3t to the power 3 minus 1 means 2, means 15 t square. This is the answer. Hope you are understanding, huh? Okay, the answer is 15t square. Next example, that is example number 2. Example number 2 is find dx upon dy, not dy upon dx. Okay, dx upon dy if y is equals to 3x square. This have two method. Method number 1, simply differentiate y with respect to x. dy upon dx will be equals to 3 times 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, means this is 6x. Just reverse it, dx upon dy equals to 1 upon 6x. This is your answer. By method number 1, 1 upon answer I can write here dx upon dy came, that is 6x. This is the answer of example number 2. Okay, now method number 2. What is method number 2? Method number 2 is what? Okay, here you want to differentiate with respect to y. You want to differentiate x with respect to y, then convert this equation x in terms of y. Here this equation is in terms of x. Y is equals to in terms of x. First, because you are going to differentiate x with respect to y, first convert this equation into in terms of y. Okay, this will become x square is equals to y by 3. X is equals to under root y by 3 or 1 by root 3 y to the power 1 by 2. Differentiate x with respect to y, 1 by root 3 differentiation of y will be equals to 1 by 2 into y to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. This become 2 root 3. This become y to the power minus 1 by 2 means means 1 upon y to the power 1 by 2 means 1 upon root y. 1 upon 2 root 3, 1 upon under root y. Under root y. You know, here y is equals to 3x square. You can put here 1 by 2 root 3, 1 upon under root 3x square. 2 root 3, 1 upon root 3 into x. X square under root x square become x only. Root 3 will become what? Root 3 will become 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, that is equals to 1 upon 6x. Finally we can say that dx upon dy is equals to 1 upon 6x. This is the answer, and this is same as the answer in the first method. Okay, hope you are understanding. Now let's move toward the example 3. What is example 3? Example 3 is find du upon dv. Du upon dv if u is equals to minus 4v cube plus 2v plus 2. This is very simple, like dy by dx. Okay, here simply du upon dv minus 4 into 3v square, v to the power 3 minus 1 plus 2 into differentiation of v is 1 and plus differentiation of constant is 0. This is minus 12v square plus 2. This is your final answer. Okay, hope you are understanding, and I have given some assignments on lecture 4. Solve these as assignment. Okay, thanks for watching.